I'm back, and today we're going to take a look at this little synthesizer which suffers from intermittent boot, hum on its output, and the oscillators seem to FM themselves. Here we can see a demonstration from Theo. So our journey begins at the mains input, and that comes in here, which then goes to the key switch, which is the on-off switch, which is here. There's a transformer here, which I think is probably to run the lighting, I'm not sure. But anyway, so I need to follow where the mains goes, and it does come through one of these grey cables. One of which comes to this 13 amp 5-way socket divider, and the plug that's plugged in there, that then goes to feed these two power supplies. They're identical power supplies. This one is wired up to run the negative 12 volts, as it turns out, and has an AC input at the front there. And it's quite interesting to see the front panel, which is just a load of pots. But there's a lot of old components in these power supplies. A big old transformer there. Some capacitors, which I'm sure need replacing. It's the transistor I'm more worried about. This is the positive power rail. It's identical, and you can see there's a set screws to set the volume out. And a fuse on each one. And if we have a look at the other side here, you can see some big electrolytic capacitors. Surely this really needs a massive overhaul, but is it really worth it? Is it much more cost effective just to put two brand new power supplies in instead? Anyway, let's take some measurements and see what's happening. And here's a very clear look at the two identical power supplies which are supplying the plus and minus 12 volts. So the plus 12 volt looked really good, but now measuring the negative 12 volts, you can see the ripple on there is definitely not good. Okay, so I've replaced the negative 12 power supply with my bench power supply, and instantly I can hear that the oscillator is so much cleaner. Which oscillator is it?
4.
So the negative power supply is not working very well. So check out for part 2. Catch you next time.